Hey everyone, I'm Tyler Lamparter and I'm a Principal Product Manager here at Celigo. Today I'm going to show you a cool update we've got for Salesforce, so let's jump right in. So if I come to a Salesforce export, we've added this new feature to use Salesforce's bulk APIs. Historically, we've just had the REST API available, which is good for getting typical app-to-app size records out of Salesforce. When you're just syncing over accounts from Salesforce to an ERP. But the bulk API is really good for syncing basically all your data from Salesforce or millions of rows at a time from Salesforce into a data warehouse or object storage. So we've introduced this bulk feature. The REST API is still there. So if I use the REST API here, I can preview, see that data coming from Salesforce. And if I flip to the bulk API, I don't actually have a preview option for the bulk API because it's an async process. So it's not like a real-time feedback from Salesforce on getting the results. So typically I use the REST API to preview my data, populate the mock output data down here with that preview, and then flip over to the bulk API. From the bulk API, comparing the bulk API to the REST API, we've seen about a 2 to 6x improvement on export times using the bulk API, especially when you've got millions of records that you're exporting, and you've got your page size down here set to basically to max it out, so that we're not chunking the results into multiple pages at a time. The SQL queries for bulk APIs have some limitations between the two, like you won't get this attributes in the bulk API, and if you have like compound fields that you're querying, it'll fail out. But just check Salesforce's documentation on the limits for SQL queries for bulk APIs versus REST APIs. And then the second update we've got is including archived and deleted records. So a lot of times when you're going to a database or warehouse, you want those deleted records or archived records to sync across so that you know what's deleted when you, what was currently deleted compared to what you had previously synced. So Salesforce keeps those deleted records for about 14 days before they permanently wipe it out. So this is an option to sync those records over so that you know what was deleted and when. That's pretty much it. In the next video, we're going to go through importing data to Snowflake and NSAW. We've got some new bulk load features there as well. But see you on the next one.